My tires came in, 32 inch, 1050 wide. Gonna fit the Ducky nicely.
Define nicely.
They'll fit.
Oh, yeah, in the boot. You won't even be able to fit all 5 of them back there.
I'm planning on putting them on the wheels.
Maybe the roof a couple. Oh, series style, right on the hood.
Look good.
What's that, about a 32.2?
It's a 32.2,
Yeah?
1050. It's gonna fit. Stock were 28, so
Uh-huh.
it's got a little bit of wiggle room.
Sure. How much wiggle room?
I
You're going to
think-
need to start the sawzall here.
I do believe I heard this in the office. You're gonna need a can opener to cut that
A
car.
can opener and a can-do attitude.
Well, I got the can-do attitude.
Let me show you what the men are going to run. That's a tire.
It's a little bit wider, a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, that's in
Are you
comparison.
saying these are size appropriate tires?
I would say so. Yeah, these are absolutely. This is going to fit just nice on the L322. 33, 12, 50, 18. Steelies.
That's a right size tire for that
Yeah,
truck.
they got a little bit extra weight, so the
A
displacement.
little bit. You got 1,500 pounds. I really think this tire is going to do great
Yeah.
on the Duck.
I really think you're going to blow up every single component of that drivetrain.
We're going to find out.
Oh, we're
Because
gonna
I got a
find
can opener and a can-do attitude.
And you can't do either of them.
We'll see. Arturo MTs for the win. Either way.
Yeah, at least we'll look cool.
There you go. I got that. I'm getting to work.